Hey, what's up, guys? I know it's been a while, but we're heading out to Sayusla National Forest today. We're going to look for some chanterelles and some lobster mushrooms and hopefully make something really yummy for dinner. We want you to come along, so come along!
I'm really kind of just looking for this red lobster-like color. As you can see, we got a bunch right in here. And you never know what you'll find if you peel back the branches. So we just scored some good ones. There you go. Get lucky and find some chanterelles too. I'm not complaining though.
So right here, I'm just gonna, inspect the mushroom, make sure there's no holes and stuff. It looks pretty good. It's a little mushy over there where you can see the discoloration, but all in all, that's just from the rain. You're gonna get that a lot here in the Pacific Northwest. There's a slight hole there, but you're just gonna inspect it, make sure it's not buggy. A lot of times those can just be caused by a pine needle, and it grows into it. It can cause a little hole. And chop it up, and you're good to go.